Get excited about the 2011 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.